Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to fix no sounds in Windows 11. And for this we go right in the bottom and go to sound settings. And then from here make sure that you select the correct output setting right here. So or the speakers or the first speakers option. So make sure that you select the right one. Then the second option is closest away. And then we search for device manager, click on that. Then we make it bigger. And then right now we go to audio inputs and outputs and make sure that your audio output, so for me it's this, that this one is turned on by selecting here disable or enable it. The other thing that you can do is update this driver. Search for automatically updates and make sure that your driver is up to date. And the other option is go to properties, then go to driver, and when there's the option to click on rollback driver, make sure that you click on rollback driver. Then the last option is click this one away, search for get help, click on get help, and then from here search in the bar for no sound. So let's see, right here we remove this and search for no sound. There is no sound. Let's see, no sound right here. And then you can follow these steps right here. So these are the 3 solutions for fixing your no sound problem. Hopefully this was a video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.